Goofy's Shoe Garage Band.
A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Oh, kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. What would I ever do without you? Oh, kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. What would I ever do without you?
Hey, Goofy, can I do that with you?
Why, sure, pal. So, what can you play, Donald?
Well, I can play the kazoo.
Toot it all you want. Hit it, pal.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a disappointment. I blew it.
Oh, that's okay, Donald. I bet Goofbot has another kazoo. He's got everything. One kazoo coming up. Gorge, I'm kazooless.
What a predicament.
Hold on, Donald. We need a mouse-katoolie. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!" Oh, toodles!
Rock and roll, clubhousers.
We've got pots and pans, spoons, a comb and wax paper, and the mystery mouse-katool. Which one can we use to make the sound of a kazoo?
Well, I don't think pots and pans or spoons will help.
But what about the comb and the wax paper? If we put in the crinkly wax paper over the comb and we start humming into it, we making a sound like a kazoo.
Sounds kind of goofy to me, Professor, but I guess it's worth a try.
Let's do it.
We got ears! Say musical cheers! Okay, here goes nothing. Or something. Gee willikers, it works! It sounds like a kazoo.
I guess Goofy doesn't need me on his bond either.
And if you're not around, I got a comb and piece of paper that makes your sound. And I can still play for you.